Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing prerequisites so the creation goes smoothly. Make sure your Android has stable internet and a working phone number. You will use them for verification. Next, install an Apple app from Google Play like Apple Music or Apple TV to access the Apple ID sign-up flow. Once done, open the app and choose Create New Apple ID. This triggers the web form. You do this because the app guides you through required fields and reduces friction compared with the web-only process. You now complete the complex middle, the form fields and verification steps. Enter your full name and accurate birth date because Apple uses that for age and recovery. Create a strong password that mixes letters, numbers, symbols. Provide an email you control, then check it for a verification code and enter it promptly. Next, add your phone number for SMS verification, choose security questions that you can reliably answer, and carefully accept Apple's terms to proceed to account creation. You finish by activating the account and confirming settings. When prompted, enable two-factor authentication for better security, then sign into the Apple app with your new Apple ID. Only add payment info if you plan to subscribe. Make sure notifications and localization settings match your preferences. If you encounter verification failures, pause and retry the code, check spam folders, or use an alternate email or phone number. If that fails, reboot the device and repeat the verification steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.